Hare Krishna Prabhu. Yesterday I took 5 books from this book stall. I went to Khar, and then I entered one shop. It was the caterer shop. I spoke to him 1 to 2 minutes. He didn't pay any attention. He said me, okay, you can go. I said, okay, Hare Krishna. At least they spoke Hare Krishna. You didn't buy the book. At least you spoke Hare Krishna. It's so nice. Then I came out from the shop. I entered in another shop. That was sweet shop. That person already having one book. And he already offered me 100 rupees notes. He said, you can take book. I don't want to take book, but I want to give you 100 rupees because you are from ISKCON, so this is your service. I said, no, Prabhu, I don't want to take money, but I want to give this knowledge to you. So better to buy this book. So he said, okay. I explained the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita and then some verses of Bhagavad Gita, which I learned in my Bhakti Shastri course and Bhakti Yoga. It was really very helpful. So he was very inspired. He took one book, he asked this person, take this book, and he paid me 100 rupees. Next to me, there was another person standing, he was selling agarbatti to that shop. He was listening me what conversation is going on between me and the shopkeeper. Then he asked me something, I explained him Bhagavad Gita philosophy, he was also inspired. He took another book of Bhagavad Gita. Then I entered to another hotel, the Hindu hotel. The father was not ready to have all this. He said, after 50 years we can have it. The son was, after hearing my speech about Bhagavad Gita, he was inspired. Then I just gave it Bhagavad Gita to him. He turned on this plastic cover. Then I got the chance to show him all the color pages. And he was really very inspired. He said, this is Bhagavad Gita Gyan. I said, yes, this Bhagavad Gita, which we are giving at least 100 rupees cost, but it doesn't have any value. 100 rupees for nothing. If you buy vegetable, 100 rupees a day will eat and finish. But if you give this knowledge to anybody, the life will be changed. So he was inspired this, and he took Bhagavad Gita and he gave me 100 rupees. Then I went to one juice wala shop. So first he said, no. I said, just listen me. Whether you buying or not, it doesn't matter, but listen what I am going to speak to you. So it taken me 5 to 10 minutes. He listened very carefully. He understood the philosophy. Then he said, Prabhu, I already taken from this Radha Rasbihari, one Prabhu staying next to me. He had given him 4 years before. I said, okay. Then this another person, he said me, I want Bhagavatam. Can you give me one first canto, second like that? I always carry the Bhagavatam set with me. So, since I am doing the Bhakti Vaibhav course, so I had this 9 canto Bhagavatam. So he was very inspired. He said, I want this book. I said, oh, this book I can give you, but this is only single book. But this book is available in full set. It is called Bhagavatam set. So he said, no, can you give me one book? Today I came to this store and inquired, Prabhu, can you give me one first canto? He said, yes, you can take. That cost is 350 rupees. I am very glad to receive this Bhagavatam, and I am going again back to that hotel, this Mithai wala, and I will ask him to take it. If he is ready to pay 350, it's okay, otherwise I will see another person. Because he said, I want Bhagavatam. It means he have heard. I told him people are talking about Bhagavatam Satta. So this is book which is Krishna himself. When Krishna left this world, Dharma came to him and asked, what about for me? Krishna said, okay, I am leaving Bhagavatam behind me. So Bhagavatam is me only. It's not difference between me, and there is no difference between me and Bhagavatam. And Bhagavad Gita is the nectar word spoken by Lord from his lotus mount. So anybody who wants to make the life perfect, he can go through it and have this transcendental knowledge and give to others also.
So what do you do? What do you work for? What job you are doing?
I am working for Parle Products.
And so in spite of your busy schedule, what inspires you to do book distribution?
I am doing a lot of seva in temple. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday I am coming doing crowd care seva. Monday I am coming and doing guest resolution seva. Tuesday I am doing Lakshmi Narayana Sen seva. And Saturday coming for Bhakti Vaibhav class. So like that, it is the mercy of all the devotees. Guru Maharaj, Prabhupada, that they engage me in this their service. I am really very grateful, very thankful to them. Because study lecture was very powerful. I had lecture of Gaurang Prabhu. Then afternoon lecture was there. What is the name of that counselor? he inspired me very much. He said that just you go, speak, whether people are ready to buy or not doesn't matter, but he speak the philosophy. And he gave me one incident. One fellow, when he was Srinama Prabhu, yes, Srinama Prabhu. There was a stall, he put a stall at Malad station. One fellow came over there and he asked, he spoke in very rough language. And then again he came back and he was showing his sleeve, and under the sleeve he having this knife. He said, you know, I wanted to murder somebody, but since you are chanting Gita, 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 so he inspired me, I changed my mindset and I came back again. Give me that Gita and take this money. So he said, Prabhu, you have saved me. Then this our commissar said, Srinama Prabhu, okay, now you can please go. He took the Bhagavad Gita and even then Srinama Prabhu was saying, still I am praying to God that there are so many conditions like this, they are wandering, they are not getting the right path. So please, Prabhupada, please inspire them to buy the book and make their life perfect. Thank you very much, Prabhu.
Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna.